Hi, this is a short video for those of you who are having a little bit of trouble logging onto Think Central. It's really important that we get this up and running this week so that we can get some exposure to the math curriculum that we've been doing. So you need to first go to the www.laramie1.org website. And when it will load, let's see here. Oh, that's weird. Let's see. www.laramie1.org because this is our personal district website. Okay, it should take you to the home page here. So then what you need to do when you're on our home page for our district, you're going to click on Class Link. And it's going to bring you to your Class Link page. So I'm going to sign out quick. So for your student, you need to input your information, okay? So I'm going to re-input my information just for demonstration. So I need to re-put in my information. My password. Your students is going to be their lunch number, and then for their password, I believe it's their initials and then lunch number to get them logged into their ClassLink. So then we sign in, and it should take me right to my ClassLink page. Then you're going to click on this blue chart here. It's called Think Central. And then once it loads, all of your child's assignments are going to be, you just have to scroll down a little bit, go to assignments, and all of your child's assignments that they need to complete are going to be listed right here. You're not going to be able to complete the ones from previous weeks because those are only open for a section of the week and they close every Sunday. So you're going to have to dive right into this week's lessons in order to complete those to get credit for that math curriculum that we're doing. And it's really important because we need to continue on to build to on that math curriculum. So please just work hard to get this up and running so that we can get some exposure to that math curriculum. Thank you.